soda.
Again.
Again. And tonight we are making comfort food. Comfort food, and it includes his mom's tomato sauce recipe. We made that the other day. You made a batch of it, and we had some left over, which is always great. And so we're gonna make eggs and sauce tonight.
Yes, very simple.
Yes.
This is so good, it's so simple.
Yes.
My mom is the best, of course. I try.
Yeah. No, but this is something you're going to enjoy, and it's very easy to make. You can make it with any tomato sauce that you have.
Exactly.
Any of your favorite sauce, and you just break the eggs right into it, and they kind of poach right in the sauce, and then you have your dinner ready. So,
Exactly.
All right, we'll show you the next steps.
Okay. Hi guys. Okay. The sauce is hot. You see when you bubble.
And bubbling.
Exactly.
And this is for 2 people, so we have 4 eggs. You can have however much sauce and eggs that you want. Usually about 2 per person, right?
Yeah, exactly. Okay, we put just.
So the eggs just get broken right into the sauce. You kind of want to space them so that they have their own little spot to cook. So if you need to put this in a skillet, you can do it in a larger skillet too if you have more people that you're feeding.
And now we 20 minutes.
So we just leave it, we don't do anything, just let it sit and bubble on medium heat, right?
Yes, as you, of course, as you like it, you can put the cover or
You can cover
no.
it, okay. So you can choose to cover it or not.
Yes, 20 minutes is okay.
Okay, we'll come back again.
Okay, this is almost 8 minutes.
6, 7, okay. It's starting to cook. You can see the whites are starting to come together. And the sauce is bubbling, and ooh, it's delicious.
Yeah.
So it has how many more minutes to go? Probably
Maybe another 10 minutes.
another
sure.
10 minutes?
Yeah.
Okay.
Usually it's 20 minutes.
Total. Okay.
Okay. The eggs is done. Look at that.
Yeah, that's beautiful. So it's been about 20 minutes.
Yeah.
They actually separate right on their own.
Look at that.
He's gonna scoop it right into the plate here. Oh, yum. So these are kind of a hard-cooked egg now. They'll be really nice and cooked. You can cook it less if you like your eggs a little softer. He's gonna finish it with a little bit of oil, some extra virgin olive oil. You can also finish it with a little bit of parsley if you like, or any other fresh herb that you choose. That's delicious. So you're gonna wanna have that with some crusty bread as well, because that sauce is delicious. Okay.
Buon appetito!
Buon appetito!